Project Dirty Willy is a 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Willy's Wheeler. Alright, here we are in the office again. We're going to do a quick update on Project Dirty Willy. I was going to do an episode showing you guys the lights and everything, and adjusting the lights, and testing out the horn, you know, the air horns and stuff. But, well, we got out by the lake and went to adjust the lights and realized that left all of the tools setting on the workbench and didn't bring them with me. So we couldn't adjust the lights, so there really wasn't any video there. There's our new backup lights. We did test out the air horn. The air horn system itself was really loud. Like, you know, it surprised me how loud it was for, you know, being a really, really small tank. I mean, the horns are decent sized. So when we took it out to the lake and we honked the horn, and I'll throw in a clip here so you can hear what that sounded like. You know, as you could hear there, it was pretty loud. It echoed. It echoed across the lake and stuff, and then driving away in this clip here. This horn here, this is the small horn. It wasn't doing anything. No sound at all, no nothing. So what I am planning on doing is running 2 solenoids, one for each horn. Hopefully it's a lot louder. Then again, it could be quieter, honestly. I don't know, because of that tank being that small. It might only have enough air to power one of these horns instead of one in the front and one in the rear. I think I'm going to have them both in the front. I think I found an area where I can fit both of them. As you can hear from the clip, just with that one big horn, it is fairly loud with just that one horn. So I'm hoping when I get both of them on there, I'm hoping that it's really loud. So enough of this boring rambling. I know I'm just sitting here in the office talking, isn't, you know, much of a video. That's why it's an update video. Hopefully next Wednesday I'll have a video ready to go showing off the lights and the horn. So until then, if you haven't checked out any of my other videos, give those a look, and if you like them, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment or something like that. And if you do like these videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Then you can keep up on some exciting videos that I have and some boring videos like this one that I have. That's all I got for now.